Welcome to the Get Real tutorial video for AI-driven wellness, real-life solutions, a smarter way to achieve real well-being built for your busy life. Boost and track your wellness. Finally, a wellness solution that adapts to your lifestyle. Get Real Wellness provides expert curated advice and AI-driven insights to deliver specific, actionable solutions for your health. Sign in with security. Easy sign in with your Apple, Google, or email account. Curated by an expert, founded by Dr. Chase Weber, a 30-year wellness and natural medicine expert. This app ensures science-backed recommendations, not trends. Discover evidence-based wellness guidelines. We scan the latest research in nutrition, exercise, yoga, and mindfulness to give you the most reliable and actionable health insights so you don't have to. Tap the speech bubble to learn from our AI assistant and ask more questions. Ask anything about wellness, fitness, nutrition, sleep, mindfulness, or natural medicine. Get science-backed, practical answers tailored to your needs, private and secure. All chats are stored only on your device. Tap back to Discover to read easy guidelines. Read our wellness guidelines. We give you the top tips for mindfulness, nutrition, exercise, breathing, and sleep. Tap to make a goal for a topic specific for you. Track your wellness goals. Create your own goal or choose from our presets. Press and hold to complete a goal. Build up your wellness streak. See your progress for each goal to drive your wellness forward. Each completion increases your count with a star. Download today on the Apple App Store. Link is in the description or scan the QR code.